Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended 12th April 2024. In key macroeconomic news, US inflation rate came in higher than expected at 3.5% year-on-year compared to an expectation of 3.4%. Even the core inflation rate was higher than expected, and traders reduced their bets on a June rate cut, with many now seeing the first rate cut only in August. US has warned that Iran will launch a direct attack against Israel and that the attack is imminent. This significantly raises the geopolitical risks and the outlook of crude oil. German industrial production rose by 2.1% in February 24, versus 1.3% in Jan 24, far outstripping analyst forecasts of an increase of 0.6%. India's consumer price inflation softened to 4.85% in March 2024, marginally below expectations of 4.9%. Chinese CPI softened significantly, 0.1% year-on-year in March 24, compared to 0.4% expected in March. Indian markets moved sideways to end higher by 0.03%. The broader markets also moved sideways, with the BSE Small Cap Index ending the week lower by 0.35%. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Metals rose 3% on expectations of economic recovery in the US and China. Among sectoral losers this week, Nifty Pharma and Nifty PSU Bank witnessed some profit booking, with both the indices down between 1.5 to 2%. In select market movers during the week, shares of Exide Industries rallied 24% after the company announced a partnership with Hyundai and Kia for EV battery localization. Shares of Vedanta rallied 17% after CLSA upgraded this. Shares of Hindustan Zinc rallied 27% to hit a 52-week high as metal prices surged. Among select losers during the week, shares of Bandhan Bank ended the week lower by 7% after its CEO Chandrasekhar Ghosh stepped down. In FII activity this week, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 8,000 crores on Friday alone, and ending the week with net sales of 6,500 crores. DIIs continued to be net buyers with purchases during the week of 12,200 crores. US markets were also flat, with the S&P 500 ending the week lower by 0.1%. In this section, we'll discuss select reports published by the research teams at HDFC Securities. You can access these reports on our website. Our institutional equities team came out with a buy recommendation on CDSL. It believes that incremental revenue from compulsory demat of new insurance policies and unlisted companies will provide a growth push in FY25. Our team projects a 23% at CAGR over FY24 to FY26. Our target price is Rs 2,360 per share. In the results preview report for the cement sector, our team expects weak pricing to dampen industry margins. Aggressive volume push in non-trade segment by major players resulted in cement prices having corrected 4% quarter-on-quarter in Q4 FY24. TCS reported results that the revenue growth was along expected lines in Q4. We expect TCS's growth to accelerate from 3.4% constant currency in FY24 to 6.3% in FY25 and 8.2% in FY26. We retain an ad rating with a target price of Rs 4,500 per share. Our retail research team came out with a note on V-Guard Industries, which has become a leading pan-India FMEG player with a 22% sales growth over the past decade. The company also acquired Sunflame's business in January 2023 for Rs 680 crores. The management expects blended growth to be in the range of 12.5 to 15% over the next couple of years. We have assigned a base case fair value of Rs 379 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. Please note the securities discussed in the presentation were for educational and information purposes only.